Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming essentials. Save work, then open Task Manager and end any WinWord/Excel/Outlook tasks. Once done, restart your PC to clear stuck services. This often resolves temporary locks. Make sure Windows Update and Office updates are applied because mismatched patches cause hangs. If Office still freezes, relaunch with Safe Mode. Hold Control while opening an app to bypass add-ins. That gives you a clean environment to proceed with targeted fixes. Now you focus on repair. Open Settings apps, select Microsoft Office, then choose Quick Repair. This is fast and non-destructive. If problems persist, run Online Repair. It reinstalls core files. Next, disable COM add-ins from File Options add-ins. Uncheck and re-enable them one by one to isolate the bad extension. Also verify your Office account. Sign out, remove cached credentials in Credential Manager, then sign back in, because corrupted profiles often cause responsiveness issues. For final steps, create a new Windows user to test Office under a fresh profile. If it works there, migrate settings. Run system repairs, open an elevated prompt, run sfc/scano, then dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health to fix OS components that Office relies on. If nothing helps, uninstall Office completely and reinstall, making sure to backup templates and custom dictionaries. Troubleshooting tip: if freezes, return. Check Event Viewer for application errors. Those error codes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.